Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the wave effect. But let's just have a quick intro before that. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, in order to apply the wave effect, first make sure your text or your shape is selected. So you can do that by either clicking on it or dragging a selection box over it. But make sure the selection box is over all the borders, otherwise your text won't be selected. So let's just select our shape. Then to locate it, we're going to our top menu here to Effects. You navigate almost right to the bottom to Wave. Now from this, we've got a drop down menu here with two options, actually three if you count auto preview. So make sure auto preview is enabled. And then we have here cycles and amplitude. So the cycles, this is kind of the amount of peaks that's going to be in the wave. So the higher the amount, the more peaks there is in the wave. So I'm just going to set this down again. And then amplitude, that'll be the height of. So as you can see there, you get quite a high one. So now if we set this, so the peaks or the cycles to about 0.5. Okay. 0.5. And you can see we've got a nice flowing text going there. And then you can just set the amplitude and then yeah, click OK, and then the effects will be applied. Now, just a reminder again, if you apply any effects or most of these effects to text, the text will no longer be text editable. So you'll see it breaks the text here on the right into a lot of little individual shapes that's in one group. So it's just a good thing to remember if you are working with most effects. Then yeah, that's the basics on the wave effect. Otherwise, if we go to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads, and then it's currently available for Windows and Mac. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. As you can see here, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we also have this nice little search option. So if you want to isolate your search, then if you still don't find what you're looking for, just go to request a training video, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.